You can expect a lot from the 2008 Lexus IS 250. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Lexus infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We encourage you to browse our online inventory, schedule a test drive, and investigate financing options.